After more than a decade of continuous innovation, Runpaq's Electromagnetic Flowmeter has been awarded multiple national patents and is now widely applied in provincial 5 water governance projects, designed to perform reliably even in harsh conditions. Our flow meters deliver long-lasting stability and durability. Thanks to their non-clogging design, corrosion resistance, high measurement accuracy, long service life, and maintenance-free operation, Runpaq electromagnetic flow meters are trusted across a wide range of industries. These include chemical processing, food and beverage, paper making, metallurgy, environmental protection, water management, steel, petroleum, pharmaceuticals, and HVAC systems.